until you've had enough. If you think you've got the guts, and let's take it outside. If you think you're man enough, you really wanna knuckle up. If you won't shed a little blood, then let's take it outside. Let's take it outside. These days things have changed. There's a lot of talk, a lot of pushing and shoving. Well, if you won't walk the walk, well, let's have some respect. We got girls in here, just pay your tab, lay down your beer halls, and let's take it outside. Take it outside.
I like Charlie Daniels, and I love Big John Cash, and I think Waylon Waltasha Jennings is a table thumping smash. Playing with Marshall Tucker's band was as good as smoking grass. But anybody that don't like Hank Williams, you kiss our ass.
Behold the King of Kings. On your knees, dog. All hail. Bow down to the King. Bow down to the King. tragic fate is looking softly. Yeah. It's your fucking nightmare.
Yourself. Check. Check. You better check yourself or you wreck yourself, cause I'm bad for your health. I come real stealth, dropping bombs on your moms. Fuck call alarms. Do a foul crime, mob that nigga with your Alpine soda for 6. So always let tricks know and friends know we got that endo. No, I'm not a sucker sitting in a house of pain. And no, I'm not the butler. I'll cut ya, head cut ya. You say you can't touch this, and I wouldn't touch ya, punk motherfucker. Here to let you know, boy, oh boy, I make dope. But don't call me dope, boy. This ain't no fucking motion picture. A guy or bitch ya, my nigga get with ya and hit ya, taking that yak to the neck. So you better run a
so
check.
Come on and tickety check yourself before you wreck yourself. Tickety check yourself before you wreck yourself. Yeah, come on, check yourself before you wreck yourself.
Cause shotgun bullets are bad for your health.
Chicky check. Yeah. Chicky check.
Tricks wanna step the cube and then they get played, cause they bitch made pulling out a switchblade. That's kinda trifle, cause that's an IFO. AK-47, assault rifle. Hold the 50, I'm nifty, pow. Got a new style.
Watch out.
I hate motherfuckers claiming that they folding bank, but steady talking shit in the holding tank. First you wanna step to me, now your ass screaming for the deputy. They sing it a Charlie Baker Denver Road, now they running up in your
Behold the King of Kings. On your knees, dog.